Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Elias the Traveler, your favorite solo traveler traveling the globe. And I'm back, guys. I have been pretty much gone from making videos for quite a while, at least a month or so, and just for a couple reasons. One being I had to relocate, and to be honest, guys, I kind of lost some motivation because it's been kind of hard getting the YouTube channel up, and with the views, subscribers, so sometimes kind of lose some motivation, but trying to push forward and continue my journey of just documenting my travels. Unfortunately, I've been traveling a couple other places and I didn't share any of that content, but nevertheless, guys, I am back and I'm gonna do my best to try to stay motivated and continue sharing some beautiful content. And as you can see, guys, I am currently in this beautiful location, and I'm going to kind of summarize what's been happening the last few months. Well, actually I should say last 2 weeks. I had to relocate. I've been residing in Europe, and now I have moved to Asia, and this is actually my second day in the beautiful island of Taiwan, and I'm in the beautiful city of Kaohsiung. And literally, guys, this is some of the most beautiful artistic pieces I've ever seen outside on display in this area called Pier-2 Art District. It's my first time here, and I'm just impressed, guys. I'm literally impressed by the beauty of this location. I'm just going to show you guys briefly here. I'm walking around. It's a Monday and not so busy. I'm imagining on the weekends this place is probably very crowded. So you can see, guys, there's just so much displays of artwork. This area actually was a former warehouse district, and they decided to turn it into like an outdoor art venue. As far as I know, where I looked up, I'm still new here, guys. I'm still figuring things out. It's only day 2 for me, so, but this is what you can see around here. Very artistic, old warehouses. There's like little museums and cafes around. Just everything is so cool, guys, and I'm gonna go back and circle around and show some of the beautiful shipping containers that they use to make art pieces. It's really impressive what they were able to do here. So this is where I'm at, guys. So since I have relocated to this part of the world in Asia, I will be making lots of content throughout Asia in the next couple months, years or so, guys. I'm planning to reside in this region for quite a while. Hopefully everything goes well, and then I'll be producing a lot more content here. But if you're new to my channel, guys, please check me out. Obviously all my other videos, most of it was in Europe because I spent a lot of time in that part of the world, so there's quite a bit of videos there. Please help me, guys, by subscribing, liking, and commenting, sharing some of the content you found useful. I'm still not a pro at making the best videos, but I'm trying to at least share some of the experiences that I have. So hope you guys can help support that endeavor to kind of keep me motivated, guys, because I've heard other vloggers talk about this kind of YouTube burnout. I kind of was dealing with that for a while, and it does take quite a bit of effort sometimes when you're tired trying to make videos and share it and all that good stuff. So I'm actually exhausted right now because of a lot of jet lag and lack of sleep, but I'm gonna still try to produce some of the content for you guys to check it out. But first experience, guys, the first impression I should say, is Taiwan is amazing. I mean, I'm just without words, guys, how amazing this place is. It's clean, it's artistic, has beautiful structures and buildings and art pieces, as you can see all over, guys. There's amazing, I mean, I have to emphasize this, amazing food here. They have the beautiful night markets and all the local cuisine is so good. I didn't even scratch the surface on food, but from what I have experienced so far, guys, some tasty food for good prices, and I'm just getting started with this. And I have to say, guys, the people are so kind and helpful and friendly. I mean, as soon as I landed here, I felt the hospitality. So I will highly recommend you visit Taiwan, guys. This is my first city, obviously, I'm visiting is Kaohsiung, southern part of the island. I'm planning to travel throughout the island and visit as many cities as I can and make a lot of good content to share with you guys. But I hope you guys will find some benefit. And obviously, guys, check me out on Instagram at Elias D Traveler for my travel photography that you guys can check out. And obviously, I will be posting a lot from Taiwan and surrounding countries throughout Asia. But here we go, guys, just to kind of not make this video too long, but I did want to just share a little update on where I'm at and hopefully inspire some of you guys to venture out to this part of the globe. I'm still learning, guys. I'm a newbie here. I'm a solo traveler, so I'm figuring things out as I go. But soon I hope to make some local friends and connections and learn a little bit more about this beautiful island, guys. It's just amazing and great location to be traveling throughout Asia. So stay posted, guys. Elias D Traveler. I'll be sharing some videos whenever I get a chance to compile them together and share it on YouTube. But hope you guys can definitely give it a thumbs up. Hopefully subscribe if you're new. If you are an existing subscriber, guys, thank you guys for continuing to watch my videos. Much appreciated. Until the next part of this video, guys, stay posted and keep on checking out my videos, guys. Elias D Traveler signing out for now. Check this out, guys. It's beautiful views from Pier-2 Art Center here in Kaohsiung, Taiwan. Look how beautiful this is. It's called the Great Harbor Bridge. Go ahead, check that out. The longest swing bridge and the first swing bridge in Asia. Into a seashell. Okay. Look at this view, guys. So beautiful here and peaceful. Wow, it's amazing. I can imagine, guys, coming here in the evening and definitely experiencing the weekend here. So I'm definitely going to be back here, but it's my first time and I'm loving it so far. And right now is a good time for just photos. Unfortunately, I'm not taking too many at the moment, but here's the view, guys. Beautiful view. You can see a little bit. People are biking. There's some cafes. I might actually stop by. It's amazing, guys, how they use this space very smartly. Come up here, look at that. We're all the way up the top here. Bridge. Oh, look at this, guys. Look how cool this is with the flower arrangement with the lighting. I can imagine this in the evening. These illuminated. Look at this design. So nice. Really good place to take photos. Very Instagram worthy. I'll be back here to take better photos. But look at this view, guys. Look how cool this is. Look at this shipping container design. There's so many of them all over the place, how they used it. It's really cool. Look at this artwork on the building here. Look at this detail that they used. So impressive, guys. Look at this view. Oh, so cool. Another view of this one, guys. Look at this. Most places are closed because it's like, I guess it's Monday. It's not really time, I guess, that they're opening on Monday. A lot of places appear to be closed on Mondays here, so just FYI, guys, if you're traveling, check out the time schedule before you go to some places. But definitely to just take photos, this is amazing. But I guess some of the places are closed. Well, maybe not, some of them might be open right now. But look at this, guys, look how they use this. I mean, so much detail and everything. Look at this here, these little containers here, water containers. Look at the view of the city too. Definitely great for photos, guys. I'm definitely gonna come back here, probably on sunset or sunrise, and take some amazing photos here. It's my first time. I just said let me swing by and just check it out, and also to share with you guys in this video. So far I'm really impressed. Really cool. Look at this. The train actually runs right here, and you can take this particular train here. It's another thing, guys, you can easily get from place to place here with the MRT lines. There's like 2 main lines here. Subways are clean, they're efficient, very nice, and affordable, guys. Very affordable to take the tram or the subway stations here. Then they have the main train that runs across the island from city to city as well. So definitely gonna be checking that out. Probably even in a few days or by next week, we'll be visiting a few other cities. So we'll see. Check out that view. And this is my favorite one coming up on the left. You guys got to see this container art piece. Look at this, guys. Check this out. It's just unbelievable the way they use this piece here. Check out this design, guys, and how it's tilted on the angles here. Piece here. Look at that, guys. Look how it's. Let me get a better view, show you guys. But this is insane. There we go, guys. How these containers are all balanced here, guys. It's unbelievable. All these shipping containers, and they made some art piece with this. So cool. The skill it took probably to do this. Wow. Oh, the area, guys, is very quiet so far. My first impression, very peaceful. Makes a nice romantic evening if you with your loved one, and just strolling through here with family. Very nice. Especially at this time when there's not many people here, but I guess on the weekend it's probably gonna be a different story. Just gonna take a few more captures for you guys and gonna wrap up this particular part of my video, because I'm not gonna make it too long, but it's so much for me to actually share. So there will be more coming. Look at this. This is so cool. Look transformer. There you go, Pier-2 Art Center. See that there? Very cool painting, or street art. Very, very nice. Cool. So guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video. I'm not gonna make it too long, but I hope you guys find some benefit just to get a little capture of Kaohsiung in Taiwan. There's so much more to share, guys. It's, you know, I would make hour long videos, I should say, several hours, but I'm gonna break it down into parts. But this is just my first few days, first impression video, guys, and first impression is, it is amazing, guys. It's highly recommended. Perfect place to visit, travel, guys. Great culture, great art, as you can see, great food, great people. Everything is a check so far. I guess if you're coming in this time of the year, be prepared for the heat. It is quite hot, guys. You will be sweating a lot walking because it's like this humid, hot weather here. But if it doesn't bother you, then come on, guys. And this is also, I would also add that this is also the rainy season, typhoon season. So far, knock on wood, it hasn't rained much my first 2 days, so hope it stays like that. But just be prepared if you're coming in the month of June, July, obviously, guys, for that type of weather. Stay posted, guys. Your IC Traveler. Check me out. Instagram, follow, like, comment. Peace out, guys. Check this out, guys. I'm at this old, like, railway park near the Pier Art Center here in Kaohsiung, and it's pretty cool. They have like old railway part or train or railway parts that they use into art, like sculptures. That's what it seems like. Interesting idea, guys. It's pretty cool, actually. Look at this, all these pieces of metal that they use to make sculptures. It's really cool. Definitely, guys, they are innovative here. I haven't seen something like this before, like an actual big park field full of all these metal, scrap metal pieces that they used. It's very cool. Look at this here. Wow. Fortunately, they don't have anything in English, so I'm not sure what to explain about this, but this is it, guys. And there's actually railway tracks here. I'm guessing it's just initial rail. I have to look into the history behind this, but maybe an old railway station here. It's very cool. Look at this design. It's worth to pop in, guys, and visit if you're at the Pier Art Center. It's like 5 minutes away from all the other sculptures that you saw earlier in the video. But I just wanted to share this, guys. If you are visiting, definitely, if you're definitely into trains and railway stations and old vintage sculptures, this is pretty cool. Look at this. Very, very cool. Alright, guys, well, I'm going to continue my video, but I just wanted to share some of this in this introduction to Kaohsiung video, guys. Hope you guys plan your trip. Really beautiful city so far.